Yes.
I'm Virti. I cannot on my camera because my camera is not working.
Okay, you'll have to repair it fast. Okay, Virti. Okay.
Ma'am, my phone is stucking, ma'am.
Yeah, wait now. Now, others listen. And Anandit and Archand also. Now listen. Please take out your classwork note. Everybody take out your classwork note. A new page. All take out your class. Who's that dancing over there? Children, take out your classwork note. Somebody left already. Please take out your classwork note. A new page. A new page. Write number 5 because we wrote till 4 yesterday. Start with number 5 today. Number 5. Write today's date in the margin. Please write, children. Who's that walking about? Let me see. Sujin, where are you, Sujin? And after, please move this side and sit. And after that, don't tell me to finish. Good boy. Come and sit. Sit down.
I'm taking the book, ma'am.
Okay. I told you, English classwork note. Open. Take a new page. Write today's date in the margin. 8-9. 8-9. Juansri, you must tie your hair afterwards, not now. Never mind, it will fall on your eyes. 8-9.
Ma'am, should I leave a line?
If you have place, you can continue leaving a line. Otherwise, new page.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Are you ready to write now? You can copy that from the screen. I want to see your copying. I'll read it now. Now, early, capital E. Yesterday I told you how to write capital E. So, how to write in double ruled line? See, please don't turn on your microphone. Early, E-A-R-L-Y. See how neatly it's written? Same way. Leave two fingers. This space over there. 2. Please. Somebody's phone. Whose microphone is on? Listen. Punit Jain, please turn off your microphone. See, when I'm saying all are running about. Children, I will not go back and show you the work. You have to go back to the recording and see. That's all, because you haven't got ready till now. Early to bed. Please write. See after the red line. Next line. Write today's date in the margin. Early to bed. B-E-D, bed. And next also early. E-A-R-L-Y. Early. To rise. T-O-R-I-S-E. Rise. Early to rise. Early to bed and early to rise. Comma. Early. T-O-2-R-I-C-E. Rise. Makes a man. Makes a man. M-A-K-E-S. Makes a man. M-A-N. Man. Healthy. Wealthy and wise. Slowly write. Makes. M-A-K-E-S. A man. A-M-A-N. Man. Healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. Wealthy. W-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. Wealthy. Health means your body. You need a strong body and healthy without any sickness. Wealthy, richness. And wise. Clever. W-I-S-E. Now wait. I want to see. Now, Sai Vasavi, did you write that? See, I'm telling you, I will take the next page because I got only 30 minutes. Now, how many of you finished? You just raise your hand. Yes, only one. Now, listen to my instruction. You have now,
Ma'am?
Mugil, please. What happened, Mugil?
I done just now, ma'am.
Please copy that in your English classwork. Okay, copy it. I'll give you time. Now, what I want to tell you is, now you write once. Leave a line. Write HW. That means don't write now. Afterwards, you must write once again. Classwork 1, homework once. Okay, children? Only write now once. And leave a line, write HW. You have to write later. Handwriting later, not now. Sai Vasavi, did you write once now? Yes, leave it. Leave that page now. And next is only to answer. Okay, next question. I will show you. Children, you must be little more. For Jemima, what do you want, Jemima? Tell me, did you write? Only write once. Now, leave a line. Jemima, did you write?
No, ma'am.
Why, Jemima?
Yes,
Write
ma'am. What is somebody else said, ma'am.
Yes, Jemima, tell me.
Ma'am?
Rida, present, what you want?
What is the last one? I cannot see after that.
Wise, W-I-S-E, wise, and full stop. Healthy, wealthy, and wise. W-I-S-E. Now keep the pencil in your book. Those who finish, yes, no need to show. Now 1 minute. What you have to, yes, now listen, I can't call each and everyone. You have to write one more time afterwards. So write HW in the margin, leave it. Now don't write anything because I'm going to start the next one. Yes, I'm going to the next one. Just look at the screen. Don't write anything. Keep the pencil in your notebook and close. Now this is over. Now see the next. Don't write the next one.
Wait, ma'am.
Who's this now? Children, 1 minute, children. All must write together. Each one joining late means it's very hard. Others are wasting time. Parents, see that they join on time, please. If you don't have any problem in the system. Thank you. Others can go back to the recording and do it. Because I gave you 10 minutes to write these 3 lines. Early to bed and early to rise. Jemima, please read this, Jemima, for me from the screen. Jemima.
Early
to bed. Read.
to bed and early to
Right. A man. It's not clear, Jemima. Something is wrong. Healthy, wealthy, and wise. Good. Now we are going to the next one. Please think. Don't write. Look at the screen. Please think. Thinking time. That don't tell now. The dash makes honey. Now don't. Just you know the spelling. Now I'm going to ask Punit. 1 minute. Punit, can you help me?
Ma'am.
Tell me, which is the correct spelling? Some children, when they turn on their mic, not that. See the bracket, which B is correct, B-E or B-E-E? Very good. See ya. And I'll show you the picture. See there? Bee is giving honey. This is thinking. Turn off your mic, children. Some children, when you turn on your mic, a lot of disturbance. Just check. Okay. Now, thank you. Now, now, this was yesterday. I mean, the previous day's work. We didn't do it yesterday. Now we are going to start today's work in your classwork note. Please cooperate with me. Turn off your mic. Now we are doing this. Now take a brand new page. We are going to start. Write 3. First line 3. Save Jamuni. Please take a new page. Everybody, if you have place also, take a new page. Yes. Children, there is no time to sit and play. Present, take a new page. Write number 3. Slowly, I will go very, very slowly. Number 3. Write save Jamuni. Some grammar part we are going to learn. Okay, that's what. Please write today's date in the margin. 8/9. 8/9. Now I finished telling you in the margin 8/9. Number 3 on the first line. Save Jamuni. That's all. Then I'll tell you slowly. I'll tell you slowly. Okay. Now, no playing in between, children. You have to be attentive. I'm going back to the screen. Now, see this. See this. Just look at the screen.
Which note, ma'am?
Oh my God.
Classwork, ma'am.
Let me know who's this child. Please tell me your name.
Shri Mugilan.
Who?
Shri Mugilan.
Sri Mukilan. When did you join the class, Sri Mukilan? All other children know. Classwork note. We finished writing. Please come on time. Otherwise, you have to see when you join in between. Go back to the recording, please. Each one is joining till 11 o'clock. It's very hard for the teacher. You can go back to the recording and do the work. Now listen. Other children, please listen to me. Those who came late can go back to the recording. Number 3, save Jamuni. SAVE, J, capital J, AMUNI. Don't leave any line. In the margin, A. Listen to me, you can do it with me. Parents are disturbing them, the children are not doing. Don't ask me anything, please. I'm telling you, they are big enough to do the work. Capital A in the margin. CIRCLE. Circle. This is written in classwork. Circle. THE. 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 ODD. 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 That means not in the same group. Odd. Word. Those who can write, you can write fast, children. Only the question. Word. WORD. Word.
Ma'am, I am not having.
In each set of words. I and in. Each. 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 SET. Set of words. I don't want anybody to turn on the camera. Sorry, not camera, microphone. Somebody is going on talking, please. Only the camera should be on, no microphone, please. Circle the odd word in each set of words. I will wait 1 minute. You just check the question. Circle the odd word in each set of words. Full stop. I'll come back to you. Like this, if you behave, we will never finish anything. You will never learn. I will wait for you. Yes, Arush, did you write the question? Wait. Did you write the question, circle the odd word?
Yes, ma'am.
When I ask one child, that means that's for everybody, all the 70 or 75. Kailina, write fast, only the heading. Now I'm coming back to, yes, Arush, turn off your mic. Now see, you have to leave one line and write 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave one line, leave one line, or leave a line in between. Write 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to see the notebook now. Yes, somebody, after writing, just show me the notebook. Leave one line, write 1, 2, 3, 4. Little closer, Juansri. Come on. Very good. Very good. You have to listen to the instructions. Leave one line. Prajan, please show me your notebook, Prajan. Prajan. Show me your notebook. Now, please show to the left side. I cannot see the margin. Left of your left side. You're going to the right. Left side. I don't want anybody to ask unwanted question, please. All must write cursive or the same print. No problem. That's your wish. But when you write in right question answers, I will tell you what you have to do. Jansri, don't play. Prajan, I am only seeing your hand. I cannot see Prajan. Move this side, left side. I want you to leave one line and write 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. He did not write 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot see. No, this child is showing his hand only. Okay, leave it now. I'm going back. Yes, now 1 minute, children. Hope you'd have written, circle the odd word in each set of words. Now, wait. You left one line, write number 1 in the margin. Leave space in a line, fix in all the 4 words. O-A-K, oak. Leave 2 finger distance. All the 4 words must fit in that line. N-E-E-M, neem. Leave space. L-I-L-Y, lily. Leave space. Last word towards the end of the page. A-S-H-O-K. Ashoka. Kevin, I can't be going back to you. What, Kevin?
Ma'am.
Huh? Tell me.
Ma'am, see this.
I'm not seeing you. I'm seeing the screen and telling you what you have to do. 1 minute. 1 minute, Kevin. Okay, Kevin, tell me. Now, Kevin, when I ask you, only, you must show. What are you doing? Take a new page, Kevin. Kevin, take a new. I don't know what is Kevin doing. Who asked you to write the homework now?
Ma'am, not the homework. What you gave in the screen only I
Only
wrote.
once you have to write. Show me that now. You have written the full page now. Show me. Show me the early to bed.
Ma'am, I write.
Okay, this is okay. This is. See, no, it's wrong. Kevin, I told you not to copy anything. I am reading. I'm not going to tell you all anything, children. I told you only the first. Leave one line and 1, 2, 3. Please erase all that. I don't know why you all are doing like this, children. That means no need of teacher for you. All want to do. Now, children, did you write oak, neem, Lily, Ashoka. Did everyone write this? One child must answer, only one. Rida. No, some children are writing as they want.
Yes, ma'am.
Rida. Okay, Rida. Only the
Yes,
first
ma'am.
one. Only the first. Children, I asked only Rida. Rida, please answer. Oh, these children.
Yes, ma'am.
Only Rida. Did you write the first line, 4 words?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. Don't write the second one because I told you leave one line. Kevin Mendan wrote everything together. I'm not going to see that. Okay. Now tell me the turn off your
I'm
mic.
writing.
These children, I don't know very badly behaved children.
Harmony, ma'am.
Please keep quiet. Who's this now? Kevin again. Rida, please keep quiet, Rida.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you write all the 4? Oak, Neem, Lily, Ashoka.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. Please listen now. I don't turn off your mic. I don't want any helpers. They are confusing the children. Turn off your mic. Full disturbance here. Adonia, turn off your mic, please. Adonia. Now, I want Samantha, sweetie, to tell me the answer, which is the odd word. Oak, Neem, Lily, Ashoka. Samantha, sweetie, can you tell me the odd one? Samantha, if you don't know, don't ask your parents. You just tell me. If you don't know, I will explain. Samantha, do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Now, Samantha. O-A-K, oak is a tree. N-E-E-M, neem is a tree. L-I-L-Y, lily is a flower. A-S-H-O-K-A, Ashoka is a tree. So, which is the odd word over here? 3 trees and 1 flower. Which is the odd word? Samantha, parents, please don't help, please. You will tell some answer. Yes. Which is the, who's this now? Tell me. Adonia, I never asked you, Adonia. I'm asking Samantha. Samantha, can you tell me the answer for this? Oak is a tree, neem is a tree.
No, ma'am.
Now listen to me and tell. You can't tell, don't know. Oak is a tree, neem is a tree. Lily is a flower. Ashoka is a tree. So which is the odd one? 3 trees and 1 flower. Okay, Shamma, please. Shashwata, tell me, Shashwata, please. Which is the odd one?
Ma'am.
Tell me.
Lily.
Very good. Now listen, children. I am not scolding anybody. Some children finish doing everything. Some children never started. So I want all the slow learners to write. I'm explaining to you, Samantha, I told you, Lily is a flower. The problem is somebody is going and telling the answer to these children. They will never learn because next time different names will come. Now, Samantha, try to understand. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Shashwata. Shamma, please write the second one after leaving a line. Everybody, leave a line and write the second one. P-E-A-R, pear. W-O-O-D, wood. P-L-U-M, plum. Leave a line and write, I said. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Others, instead of wasting time, you can copy the words 1, 2, 3, 4, all the lines, leaving one line in your book. By the time I'll ask questions. Shamma, can you tell me? What is pair, Shanma? Shamma? What is pair? Pear. Shamma, what is pear?
It's a fruit.
Very good. And just leave wood. Now, what is plum?
It's a fruit.
Very good. Orange?
It's a fruit.
Yes. So, which is the odd one here?
Wood, ma'am.
Very good. See, children, you must explain like that. Wood is out of order here. That is the odd one over here. Wood. Now, please write. Other children would have written. Please write. Third one, bird, squirrel, horse, cart. I want Shaina to help me. Shaina,
Yes, ma'am.
please tell me. Now tell me the birds' names over. No. Just tell me. Which is the odd one first? Let me see whether you know. Which is the odd one? What is it?
Car.
Cart. Very good. See? Bird, squirrel,
Bird, squirrel,
then
horse,
horse,
car.
animal. Understood? So cart is out of order. C-A-R-T. Very good.
Thank
You
you,
have to
ma'am.
just look at the screen and tell me. Now,
Please
please,
wait, I'm following, ma'am.
1 minute, I'm waiting. Shaina, did you write the third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, please write everybody. Please write till fourth one. I'm not going to do next one because you all are very, very slow. No problem, but you must learn. Then only you must go to the next one. Please, I want Alan.
Yes.
To help me. 1 minute. Read all the words. Alan, brinjal,
Brinjal, pen, tomato,
peas,
peas,
which is the odd word.
pen,
Pen, which is the odd word.
pen.
So you have to circle it. I'm waiting for everybody to finish. I'm waiting for everybody. I'm not going to. Actually, I got one more exercise to do, but we are not doing now. I'm waiting for everyone. Now, let me see. I don't want all the latecomers. Please complete it. Complete. Tridip, did you finish, Tridip? Tridip, did you finish? Now, I don't. Judah, did you complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Samantha, you must be little more attentive. Okay. Samantha, did you do Rida? Now somebody came. Kevin, show me a notebook, Kevin. Children, when you are in class, you must write together. Because you will write all the questions and go. You did not leave. Kevin, show me a notebook. Yes. Don't get scared. You show. You listen to the teacher. Any teacher, you have to listen. No, he's not showing. John, show me your notebook. Everybody completed this? Yes. I don't want you to do such a lot of things. Whatever you do, and Indian, show me a notebook. Whatever you do, you have to write it neatly. Very good. You have to spread out the words. Because you got full. Samantha, show me a notebook. Yes, leave one line. Good, Indian. Good. Alan, show. Alan, Kanira. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, Alan. All must leave one line. Kevin, where are you? Everybody finish. Yeah. Okay, Rida. Janina, show me, Janina. Okay, now listen. Who's that? Kanira, you made mistake. Kanira, show me a notebook. You did not leave a line. Kanira, I am angry with you. I don't know what to do. You did not leave a line in between. Never mind, don't erase. You listen to the teacher, okay, children? Okay, Johan, show me a notebook. Samantha, good. Ahil, good. Okay, children, now listen now. Children, it's not that I want you to write all the things and somebody else must give you answer. I'm not blaming you or your parents. Unless you listen to me, you will never. Fatima is going to get from me now. Hi, Mitra, it seems. And I'm taking class. Now listen. I don't want you to give me the answer, but you must know the basic of it. Now you have done all the 4 sentences. You have done well. Sorry, 4 lines. Good, Johan, good. Now, children, time is 11:01. Now, those who have special class, you just see the link and come. Okay, we'll send the link. Only 11:20 you must get in.
Thank you,
Not
ma'am.
before that. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Just wait. I will call out
Thank
the
you,
link.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.